Hey everyone, this is Will White with Appspace. I'm here at InfoComm 2026, and I just want to take a moment to talk about Appspace in general. So Appspace is a workplace experience platform, which means that we do a lot. We touch everything that an employee is going to interact with throughout the day, whether they're in the office, they're hybrid, they're remote. We empower a workplace experience that employees are going to love to allow them to just, well, collaborate, do their job, right? Not have to worry about the details. And that manifests in a lot of ways. So Appspace, we handle space management, right? Reservations, desk booking, room booking, etc. Visitor management, intranet and employee app, and digital signage. And what's powerful about that, having one workplace experience platform, which by the way is a new category recognized by Gartner for the first time this year, so check that out. And we're right up at the top right where we want to be, so got to brag a little bit. But what that means is that you have one single platform that can handle all those use cases, and great for admins, great for IT, great for all the people managing the platform, but also great for employees because everything is going to weave together. So just as an example, this is Appspace's intranet or employee app. I've kind of got our mobile view blown up here so it's easy to see, but in one place, I can get all of my critical company updates. I can get links and referrals to other tools, maybe in SharePoint, right? Content being ingested directly into Appspace from SharePoint and other places, surfaced to who they're most critical for at the most critical times. I can engage in communities and collaborate. I can share, I can like, right? I can foster that bottom-up culture, not just top-down. I can dig in and I can book a space. I can see where my colleagues are sitting. I can find where they are on a map and book that seat next to them so that we can get work done together. I can know if they're actually going to be in the office, whether that commute is worth it. I can manage my visitor invites. I can get maybe Teams notifications when that visitor shows up. Even live all of this within Teams so that I'm already there day in, day out. All these tools are layered right in. And then behind the scenes, if you're a publisher, a content communicator, a facilities person, all of that activity, right? Whether it's content being published to signage, whether it's activity in the intranet, space booking, that's going to generate a ton of data that is super valuable. And with Appspace, you get all that data. You get the custom dashboards you might want, you get the raw data dumps, and even more exciting, you get AI-powered analytics to really dig in and not just see the data, but the trends and the why. Why do people not check into this meeting room consistently, right? What can we do to adjust that behavior? How can we configure the rules to foster a more seamless, a more consumer-like workplace? So I really can't fit everything I'd want to talk about in one little video, so if you want to learn more about this or anything that we do, head to our website at www.appspace.com.